If your Merch by Amazon account is under review, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Before starting recovery, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review Amazon's policies. Familiarize yourself with Merch by Amazon's content and design policies. Ensure that your designs comply with their guidelines to avoid future issues. Step 3. Respond promptly. If Amazon requests additional information or clarification, respond as soon as possible. Provide any requested documents or explanations clearly and concisely. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your response, allow some time for Amazon to review your case. This process can take a few days, so be patient while waiting for their decision. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response after a reasonable time, consider reaching out to Amazon support for an update. Be polite and provide any relevant details about your account. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of getting your account reinstated. Good luck!